Hello friends, I've bought this camera. It's Sony ILME-FX3. Right here you see version of the firmware 2.0. I installed it using the Windows update tool from Sony to update it. And as you can see here, I've got sound connected to the microphone handle. And here is a mic. Here is a mic. Mic. I got the sound from this microphone handle. Everything works just fine, except for I don't have sound output here. No sound output for the headphones. Let's turn it off. Let's remove the microphone handle and enable the camera. No sound at all. FX3 has internal microphone and it worked just fine on firmware version 1.0 or 1.1. Initially this camera came out of box with 1.1 firmware. After the update, no sound from the internal microphone, no monitoring via headphones, and if I connect the microphone here, connected, the same microphone, no sound input, and no sound recording to the files. On firmware 1.1 everything worked just fine. On 2.0 nope. I'm going to show you the sound options. Audio monitoring, I can change anything here, it won't help. And if you check another sound settings, I forgot what it is, but we have other here, right here. You can see no noise reduction. We remove the microphone, noise reduction is available again. Why? Because the camera knows that we have connected and disconnected the microphone. This issue happened to the second FX3. First one has been replaced by warranty with the same issue. So I'm pretty sure that these cameras, maybe the whole issue of these cameras with the same serial number, all series maybe, has this issue after the update to this firmware. No sound. Thankfully, I can record the sound using this microphone handle. No monitoring via headphones, unfortunately, but at least something I have here. But what I need is the camera working again as it used to work. Unfortunately, Sony won't allow to downgrade the firmware to the previous version. I would do this, but it's impossible. Probably it's possible only in the service center of Sony. And there is no newer firmware without this issue. So I hope the Sony engineers will be aware of this issue and will try to understand what's happening and to fix it. Thank you.